Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to another WordPress tutorial. In this video I will be showing you how you can reset your WordPress website. So let's say that you have been working on this site of yours and you made a lot of progression, but at some point you felt that you could do better. You want to change it, you want to do something else. For example, you did an e-commerce website and then you wanted it to become like a portfolio website. So how can you do it exactly? Well, there is a longer way and there is the fastest way. The fastest way, which is going to your cPanel, for example, cPanel, which will be looking something like that. And after opening it, go to your file manager, and from your file manager you will have all the files of your WordPress. Just go click on them, just like so. You will find them something like that. Let me just find the picture for it. So yeah, it will be looking something like that. You click on it, you remove them. So from file manager you click on it, you remove them, or you go to here, to this section, and you click on WordPress and you download it again. So what will it do? It will completely delete your old files and replace them with the new files. So this is the first steps. The first method. The second method, which is going to your dashboard, opening your website, and then go to each one of these sections. So post, click here, click on filter, move to trash, and then after trash, permanently delete it. So then go to media, select all, delete everything. Pages, the same thing, select all, delete everything. Comments, appearance, even the themes, delete them. Users, delete all the data about the users, and the plugin as well, delete all the plugins from here by going to deactivate or delete. And just like so, you will be able to actually reset your website from zero, and you will have all your files deleted. So yeah guys, that's how you can actually delete files from your WordPress and make it look like it's a new website. So yeah, thank you guys for watching and see you next tutorial. Bye bye.